How you doing, guys? Owen Newman back again at the Carlton Dry Pads. Going to do a run through on some of the new product that we have. We've got the new 2013 early release, the All-Star board here. They have a Camrock camber, and this year they've changed the shape to a shovel nose. The way it's cut off, you can actually ride the board a bit smaller. They put carbon hot rods from top right through to the bottom. So having said that, you've got smaller board so the board won't flex out when you're on jumps or jibbing around. With the Camrock, the way it works is you camber in the middle, but also it doesn't carry through. So at the tip and tail, it's pretty much only a zero, so you've got the same feel as reverse. If you ride a smaller board, you get less chance of catching tip and tail, and that gives you a chance to learn spins, jibs, and then when you want to take it bigger, if you want to step up, you've got three sizes in the board, 4, 9, 5, 3 or 5, 6. There's actually got a few more inserts, so you can actually ride a nice wide stance, or you can even ride a tight skinny stance, which some people are doing these days. I ride 5-3, and I use it as my fun board. I jig around on the rails and just mincing around, having some fun. The second board we're going to have a look at is the Baller. Bring it back out again and bring a 2013 model out. So this is the new design. We've got the ballers on the bottom with the Army. They've gone for a zero camber on this board. Again, it's just a really good board to learn on. It also has a good wood core and 7,500 feet of space. So nice and fast, factory wax is good, comes straight out of the shop and you're good along.